Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
A management file centralizes project and team documents into a single authoritative source. Keep it simple and clear so everyone finds what they need quickly. Use consistent naming with dates like 2025-11-21 and short descriptors. Include a version log that lists edits, authors, and timestamps for transparency. Limit draft proliferation by designating one authoritative copy in a shared location. Make access permissions explicit to prevent accidental overwrites or data loss. Review the file weekly to ensure the content remains current and Start by choosing a template that includes title, contents, and version log fields. Create clear sections for goals, stakeholders, timelines, budgets, and a risk register. Define required file formats like PDF for final and docx for working drafts. Add a version log that records author name, change summary, and timestamp for each update. Save the authoritative file to a shared drive and enable access controls for team roles. Communicate the file location and naming rules to every stakeholder to ensure compliance. Update the version log every time someone edits the file with author and timestamp. Share a read-only link for broad audiences and provide edit access only to core contributors. Use clear file names like Report v3 2025-11-21 to track iterations. Archive older versions weekly to a separate folder while preserving a complete change history for audits. Set reminders for periodic reviews and assign ownership for maintenance duties. Train new team members on how to access, edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.